I'm going to show you. I want to get this off. I was trying to turn it with a screwdriver and everything, and all you have to do is, let me show you. Pretty simple. Put this on here. Just need a hammer and just a punch. You just lay it on this one. The screw is pressed in, and just tap it. And it comes right out. See it? And you could just pound that out and disassemble it. Just got to pound a little bit more. So it goes all the way through. It's just like, when I get it out, I'll show you what it looks like. There, it's out. Okay, so you just pound that out. And let me show you here. That's all it is. It's a little split spring with a little thing on it like that. You just pound that in there, and it locks right on there. Tap that right out. And this is the piece. And this basically just pounds right in here, like from the back here. It's split, and it just pounds right in here. It's got a flat side, so yes. And you just pound that right in there, and that locks through. So we're not going to use the spring, so let's take the spring to the side, but we are going to take these two parts. So let's go ahead and put them in our bag. I have not seen anybody with videos doing it,